actually recording?
Yeah.
There's no light.
You can still see.
That was kind of a long walk getting here. That stir fry looks good. You want some? It's ketchup. Yeah, okay. So sad. They have no idea this is the highlight of their whole life. I go tell them. Why are you hitting yourself, sucker?
Bethany, are there gonna be any cute guys here who aren't creeps? I thought we were gonna meet some guys.
Meet some... What do you mean, meet some guys? I'm the guy right here.
You? No, Bobby. I meant like a real guy. You don't count, Bobby. Don't tell me you thought you counted.
But you came and picked me up. That makes me your date. I thought you girls liked it. I'm your booby bear, remember?
Bobby, you're not really boyfriend material. We're just fun to play around with. That's all.
What? You mean like a stuffed animal or something?
That's not a bad analogy.
Oh. Well, it was fun while it lasted. You guys.
Aww.
There you are, Bobby. Okay, come with me. We are about to redefine the word grounded.
Go ahead and yell at me. But there's nothing you can say that can make me feel worse than I already do.
Everything all right?
Those girls didn't like me. There was just some game in there. Oh, just go home, Dad.
Evening, ladies.
Ah.